Okay, guys. So right now I'll be launching my AWS environment. So it's currently loading. Okay. So I am in my AWS um page. So first switch to my default region at the Oregon, US West 2, and was on the default region, and then I've got to click on the EC to search and then start my new instance. So here is my name, Michael Andrew, and then directly I'm going to go to my instance, and I've got to delete the initial one. I need to go to instance states and then terminate. Then when I have this terminate, which is delete, successfully deleted. Okay, as I refresh, so it's shutting down. So I'll begin my new instance creation as I would start from the project. Okay, so you could see the instance state is terminated. I'm creating a new one right now. So I'm going to click on launch instance. Okay, so right now I'll give my instance name. So let's say Andre. Okay, and for the operating system, I've got to choose on Windows. So I'm clicking on Windows right now. Then the AMI, take it set on the default, the free tier eligible, and then I have got the instance type. So I'm gonna drop down the menu to instead of T3 dot micro, I need go for T3 dot small as required or expected. For some special reasons. And then create a new key pair. Though I never deleted the initial one, but I've got to create a new one. So let me give it a name. Maybe my okay. Alright, so I'm setting the key pair type to RSA, of course. So the private key files format still remains .pem file. So I've got a quick credit. Okay, so here is my PEM file. Now I've got to take the security, and then these are all set at default. The storage 30 and then 3 as well. And then on this. So we're good to go. So we are creating our instance. So right now we've got to launch it. We're having our summary here. Yes, good. So I'm launching my instance. All right. So here is my instance that has been created. So I've got to click on it. Let's see how it goes. All right. So this is my new instance. and then you could see that the public IP address as well instance is currently running. So let me connect to my instance. Let's go back. All right, so this was the new one. This was the old one that was terminated. So I'm gonna tick the box, which is Andre, and then it's running. So at some point it's gonna initialize to be 3/3, of course, I'm sure. So what I need to do is to connect. To connect it, so I am connecting my instance and I'm setting these to be RDP clients. Then I have to create a password. It's required. So I've got to download the remote desktop file first. Yes, so andre.rdp, that's my remote desktop. So I need to get the password. Okay, so this is my password, and then so just as we had the key PEM file. Okay, that's PEM. I think we had this. My EC2 was it this? Okay. All right. So here we have it, and then let's try to decrypt the password. If you've joined your instance and directory, you can. Okay. So we are getting our password right away. Okay. So let's have we to press our password. Let's say so open the notes. All right. So we've saved our password, and let's go and then try to launch our remote desktop connection. So this is Andrea, and let's see how it goes. Um, Launching it right away. Okay, so here is it. Connecting it. All right. So I had this password and administrator, so I've got to, insert it my password, and then let's click OK. That's sweet. And then here we are. We're currently connecting our US. All right. So we're launching our virtual machine. Yes. So right now, let's begin our creation and designs of our organizational units as well as proposed. Okay, whilst we wait for the VM to load, we've got to do some, okay, let's give it a try. Wait on this. All right, it's loaded. So now let's go to our saver manager. But first, we've got to test run it to see who's managing the accounts, which user is on the account. So let's go first to the terminal, which is the CMD, our command prompts, before we could proceed. So I would say, who am I? And I'll run it. All right. I am running as an administrator in the user. Okay, so we proceed. Got to clear this when this is set already. So here we have our manager,